Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. It's just a little rainy out there right now. It rained overnight, but according to Mr. Bob Harlan's weather report this morning, it's supposed to be sunny to partly cloudy this afternoon and dry for the next few days. All right, enough Al Roker. Yesterday I did round 2 of my Thanksgiving feast shopping at Winco, and I have mostly good news. The produce department looks like it's back together with all new refrigeration around the wall. 2 walls now, not just one. There was only one section that was not being utilized. I'm guessing they have a problem with that unit. But it looks good. It's bright, basically stocked. Shopping wasn't bad. All right, last night I prepared the English Kitchen's, oh, this was yummy, Scottish toddy soup. Now, I did do a little bit of research. Tattie means potato. So I feel kind of stupid for not knowing that before yesterday's message. But hey, I've been busy. So it was really good. There's like 5-6 ingredients. That's it. Now I did, because of my research, I did add garlic. And the picture doesn't look really appetizing because I added cream during the end of the demo. The cream adds a little bit of richness to it. You don't have to use the cream. It's really good. It's simple. It is a long simmer. So, but try it. I think you will enjoy it. All right. Tonight, I kind of changed things around this week. I'm going to be doing a comfort rice with chicken. I have nothing to show you because I have just an idea of what I'm going to put in it. Obviously, chicken and rice. Those two you are given. The rest, I'm searching high and low in the refrigerator, aka cold box, and so forth. But I have a good idea. I'll get it to you, I promise. So, on this Thursday, oh boy, I hope it warms up. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.